Dive into the wild world of mechanical keyboards where clicking sounds like an impromptu jazz concert. In this video, we'll judge the top 5 keyboards like scorned beauty pageant queens, focusing on sass, sound, and style. Whether you're a gamer pressing keys like a piano soloist, or a writer trying not to delete your life story, we've got keyboards that won't ghost you. Tune in and find the one to tickle your keys and up your typing game. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, picksandpros.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Ready for the listicle? Let's jump right into it. Number 5, Montech MKey. This keyboard not only brings style, but also functionality at an unbeatable price. Experience an adventure with the keycaps inspired by Osaka Castle. Premium MDA profile. Keycaps made of high-grade PBT material elevate your keyboard experience. They offer that luxurious touch you didn't know you needed. Vivid, durable icon designs shine bright thanks to 5-sided die sublimation. Stand out effortlessly at your next gaming session or work meeting. Customization takes center stage with full hot swappable keys. Easily replace key switches, adapting the keyboard to your taste without any hassle. Utilizing Kale's hot swap sockets adds to the convenience. Sound matters, and this keyboard excels. Enjoy the best acoustics with custom-tailored silicone acoustic absorb pads. They make each keystroke feel satisfying and sound refined. Most importantly, I love how it combines design and performance seamlessly. It's a fantastic choice for anyone needing quality on a budget. Number 4, Keychron C3 Pro. This budget-friendly mechanical keyboard stands out with amazing features that make it shine among similar models. MKey software support offers total customization. You can easily remap keys, create shortcuts, and tweak backlight effects. This level of personalization caters to both productivity and gaming needs. Gasket mount design enhances your typing experience, reducing sound resonance while adding flexibility. With sound absorbing in case foam, each keystroke feels smoother and quieter. Enjoy a 1000 Hz polling rate thanks to the high-performance ARM architecture MCU. Experience fast response times during intense gaming or lengthy typing sessions. NKRO takes key presses to another level, allowing multiple inputs at once without a hitch. Switching between Mac OS and Windows feels seamless. Use the simple key combo FN plus caps to adapt effortlessly. Universal keycaps work perfectly for both systems, eliminating compatibility concerns. Shine-through double-shot ABS keycaps combine durability with style. North-facing LEDs illuminate legends, creating a striking visual appeal. Options for 14 backlight types let you customize your setup to your heart's content. What I appreciate most is how adaptable this keyboard is. While it lacks customizable RGB lighting, this shouldn't deter buyers. You still receive a fantastic product packed with features. Curious about enhancing your typing game? Check out the Keychron C3 Pro. Still searching for the perfect mechanical keyboard? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3, nuphy Field75 HE. Get ready to elevate your gaming experience with the nuphy Field75 HE. This exceptional mechanical keyboard sets a new standard in precision and customization, making it a top contender in the market. Magnetic switches and Hall effect sensors offer lightning-fast response times. You'll notice reduced lag in both gaming and office tasks. With a polling rate of 8000 Hz, every keystroke translates into seamless action, enhancing your overall performance. A powerful new one chip powers this marvel. Its clock rate of 144 MHz ensures smooth USB 2.0 data transmission, providing you with a reliable connection every time. This level of efficiency is uncommon in many competing keyboards. Customization becomes effortless with nuphy I/O. You can adjust parameters easily. Real-time UI updates and per-key indicators enhance your control, allowing personalized tweaks for your unique gaming style. Adjustable key travel up to 4.0 millimeters offers flexibility. Players can set their preferred preferred actuation, which deviates from standard models. Rapid trigger functionality boosts efficiency, allowing multiple triggers quickly for more victorious moments. Dynamic keystroke settings enable 4 different functions from a single press. This feature adds an exciting layer to gameplay, giving you a competitive edge. While key travel might not appeal to everyone due to its intricate options, it actually invites experimentation. Discovering your ideal settings becomes part of the fun. Explore how nuphy Field75 HE can transform your gaming setup today. Number 2, Keychron Q6 Max. Unleash your typing potential with the Q6 Max. This full metal Q MKey wireless customized mechanical keyboard redefines premium design. With a full-size layout, you get ample room for any key arrangement, switching between 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and wired Type-C connectivity feels seamless, making multitasking simplified. Experience swift connections. The 1000 Hz polling rate boosts responsiveness during intense gaming or typing sessions. Connecting up to 3 devices simultaneously is effortless. You'll appreciate the freedom to switch between your laptop and tablet without missing a beat. Customization stands out. Remapping keys or creating macros through QMK lets you tailor your keyboard for maximum efficiency. Hot swapping switches means you can experiment with different mechanical switches. Enjoy personalizing your setup without having to solder anything. Assembling is straightforward. Every component fits together easily, allowing adjustments without hassle. Crafted with reinforced multi-layer acoustic foam, every keystroke delivers a delightful sound and feel. This keyboard's CNC machined 6063 aluminum body not only looks sleek, but also assures durability. Extensive manufacturing stages create an impressive piece that feels as solid as it looks. After extensive testing, it's clear the Keychron Q6 Max is a standout in the premium mechanical keyboard market. Typing never felt so good. Check it out and redefine your experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, nuphy Halo75 V2. Get ready to elevate your typing experience. The Halo75 V2 is being hailed as the best mechanical keyboard overall for good reason. Its striking design captures attention with a sleek aluminum body and ambient lighting that enhances any workspace. Multiple connectivity options truly set this keyboard apart. You can seamlessly switch between Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and USB-C with ease. Connecting up to 4 devices allows for effortless transitions from work to play. This flexibility is a game changer for multitaskers. QMK and VIA support bring unmatched customization to your fingertips. With these open source options, you can remap keys and personalize lighting to match your style. Creative configurations unleash the keyboard's full potential, catering to every user's needs. Battery life impresses as well. A robust 4,000 milliamp hour capacity offers exceptional operating times. With lights on, you'll enjoy 9 to 91 hours of usage. Turn those lights off, and you can stretch this up to 307 hours. Such endurance means fewer interruptions and more productivity. Low latency is crucial in gaming. Here, the Halo75 V2 shines with a 1000 Hz polling rate. Whether you're engaged in intense battles or simply typing, you'll experience minimal lag, enhancing your skills precisely when it matters most. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mechanical keyboards. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which keyboard you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.